of course. I'm really young, fairly young, 21. So, for pageant age, it's still really young po. So, of course I would. Pero, I remember I joined pageants during the pandemic. So, parang, now that I'm back in the showbiz industry, I'd like to focus muna on what I have now po. Lalo na when we have Love at First Bite laughs. So, syempre, I want to focus muna and of course, create good relationships within this industry before coming back again. This is a really big process, alam po natin yan. I really want to represent the Philippines, pero pag buo na, pag kaya, kapag laban na laban po. And I know I can't do that yet, so maybe next year. Maybe
she will, she will.
Tsaka last time, di ba, second runner-up, tama ba?
Yes.
Oo, so, ano na, konti na lang. Tsaka di ba maraming beauty queens na gano'n, yung hindi naman talaga first try pa agad.
Opo. Kasi I remember I was 19 that time. So it was big for me at 19 years old. Pero for those watching, hindi siya imposible gawin.
Yes.
Even though may mga kasabay ka mga lawyers and doctors and those who are already experienced in life and much more wiser, hindi po talaga, it's not all about that, of course. So, ayun, try po. Not only me, I hope there's lots of girls out there na mas may courage na po sumali kasi it's not all about that. It's really much more within your purpose. Ayun po.
Thank you so much, Rain. Okay, ngayon naman for Argel. Pinag-uusapan ngayon ang Some Nights I Feel Like Walking na ipapalabas this June 25 to 27 at dahil Pride Month, anong pakiramdam na nilook forward ng mga tao itong project na ito?
Ano kasi yan indie film ni Derek Peterson. Shoot namin yan 2023 pa ito, so matagal na. So, na-excite din ako kasi hindi ko pa napapanood. At ano kasi itong kwento ng mga kumbaga kabataan na mga lumaking kalye, mga hustlers talaga. So excited kami mapakita yun sa ibang tao para maintindihan natin sila. Yun. Kasi hindi natin nakikita yun yung mga side na minsan hindi napapansin, gano'n. So excited kami ibigay sa kanila.
Wow, tsaka 2023 pa pala, no? Direct Peterson Vargas.
Yes.
Sino-sino po mga kasama mo dito?
Kasama ko dito si Jo Marie Angeles, si Gold Aceron, tsaka si Tommy Alejandrino. Yan mga ano talaga bigarato ko, mga malulupit. Kaya nung sinunod namin to, sobrang nakaka-pressure. Kasi first time ko to Tapos sila parang lagi na nilang ginagawa. Tapos nanalo pa ng mga awards. Ngayon, tutulungan naman nila ako. So, okay naman.
Magandang experience yun yung mapabilang ka doon. Kayo ba guys, meron ba kayong mga dream na gusto nyo makasama sa isang project? Bukod sa syempre ngayon, nagkasama-sama na kayo sa mga ilang projects, pero sino yung mga, let's aim high, gano'n. Kumari talaga sky's the limit. Sino ang gusto nyo local artists na makasama?
Ako po si Miss Jody Santabarria. She's the sole reason why I wanted to be an artista po when I was watching her when I was a kid. Tsaka po, I love her acting range. Super hands down respect po talaga. Kasi she's done horror lately. She's done a horror film. And I remember she said that she had hard time moving on. Kasi you would know if you're an actor na it'll be hard for you to move on from the character. Kasi doon mo nalaman na you really were that person. And I love that about her. Kasi when we're an actor and actress, talagang kailangan maramdaman mo para totoo. And I love that about her. I hope I can meet her one day. I did meet her na pala, but I hope I could work with her. Because I remember the first time I met her, I was like, thank you po. Like, you're the reason I want to be an artista. Ganun po. And yeah, I hope I can. One day.
Alright. Jody for Rain. Dylan.
Ako naman po si Kuya DJ, Daniel Padilla. Siya po talaga din yung idol ko. Kung si Rain, si Miss Jolie yung reason niya, ako si DJ talaga. Si Kuya DJ. Gumagawa pa akong edit sa TikTok dati. Ano yung nakalagay doon na show you and your dream job. Mga ganun. Tapos nilalabas ko yung mga posters ng movies niya, ng teleserye niya. Katniel. So,
Hanapin niya ng mga fans mo mamaya. Yung ginawa mo.
Makikita nila, mga 2021 na tayo. 2021.
Anong role ni DJ yung pinakatumatak sa'yo? Ano yung gusto mo sa kanya?
Yung movie nila, yung The House of Us. Yung...
Bigat!
Yung scene nila doon na, yung... Pagod ka na ba? Di ba? Naiyak ako.
Sige nga, lights, camera, action. isa pa.
Eh? Nahiya na ako.
So, ganun mga roles ang gusto mo?
Oo, mga ganun.
Oo. Hindi yung, kasi may DJ na nagpapakilig, di ba? Pero yung House of Us, ibang DJ din.
Malalim.
Oo, malalim. Ganun yung mga gusto
Ganun po
mo.
yung gusto ko.
Okay, so may Jody tayo, may Daniel Padilla tayo, Argel.
Ako si Kuya Gerald. Hindi, kasi lagi ko siya nakaka-basketball, so curious ako kung paano naman sa work. Yun. Sana.
May message ko ba kay Gerald Anderson? Yung sinabi mo yan, na idol mo pala siya.
Baka idol ko yan eh. So, baka tulog siya ngayon, pahinga kami dun.
Ang cute naman. Okay, ikaw, Jazz.
For me, may dalawa ako, Miss Angel Aquino and Miss Isa Calzado. Grabe talaga yung range of acting, the emotions, na matang-matahan lang. Parang while you're watching, you feel every emotion that pinapakita nila. So, someday, I already met Miss Isa Calzado twice or thrice. So that would be a privilege to work with her. But Miss Angel Aquino, not yet. So, kita muna and then, so, yeah.
Well, maliit naman ang industriya, no? Mataas yung chance na mamimit nyo rin ang inyong idols. Ito sabi ni Yera Bastina, grabe, 19 lang pala si Rain nung nag-join siya sa pageant.
Yes, ate. Puro lakas ng loob lang ang meron ko talaga. Pero at least, I learned so much. I'd say I really did mature in that sense po talaga. Iba yung discipline ko sa body ko and sa mind ko when I was at that age. Kasi imagine when you're doing a national pageant but you're still finishing high school. So that was really,
High school? Oh my gosh, high
great
school.
yeah. Yes. I wouldn't recommend, of course, pero iba rin kapag may gusto kang gawin sa buhay. So I hope that you guys can take that as an inspiration na you can still do it while studying. Because I'm still studying pa rin ngayon.
Oo nga, ano yung inaaral mo?
I'm studying broadcasting and communication and broadcasting.
Where?
In LPU, Cavite. But yeah.
ICU of the Philippines University. Yes. Okay. So, pero ano, yung course mo, talagang andito na. Ito na yun.
Yes,
You're doing it na talaga.
Gusto ko po talaga siya gawin.
My course is also broadcast communication.
Yes. So I appreciate your voiceover kasi it's nice ate. I couldn't even recognize your
Kaya
speaking
napansin
voice.
mo, kasi broad ka rin.
Yes.
There you go. Dylan, sa UE, ano yung course mo?
Marketing po.
Marketing. So, ano bang plano mo dapat after?
Mag-artista.
Marketing ka,
I-market niyo yung self.
Yung market ko yung sarili ko. Alam mo ate, ay yung parang naiisip ko dati na hindi ko alam paano, pero alam kung darating ako nun. Yung mga ganun.
Na-envision mo na siya, parang gano'n, at the back of your head.
Yes, hindi ko lang siya alam kung kailan siya darating, hindi ko alam kung paano siya mangyayari. Pero alam ko na makakarating ako.
Ganda na, ang inspiring nyo kausap. No? Ang pagkata, pero yung goals, ando na talaga. Tsaka, ready kayo i-explore yung iba-iba ninyong mga talents. So that's good. And it's so nice that you're here in Star Magic to share your talents with everyone. Okay. So meron pa po ba tayong questions na gustong itanong from our media friends? Okay, I think we're good. So bago tayo umalis, final messages to guys para sa inyong mga fans. Invite them to your projects to watch your projects and also, of course, Star Magic All-Star Games. Let's start with Rain.
Okay, hello kapamilya. Maraming salamat po for watching this gathering today. We'd love for you to support. Buy the tickets. They're available na po for July 20 next month. And of course, naka-release na po ang aming show, The But First Spike, every Friday, 8 p.m. Maraming salamat po. We hope that you can support not only All-Star Games, Labs, but of course, Star Magic in total for everybody who is here. Hey, maraming salamat po and I'll see you on the next.
Jazz?
Before siguro ako mag-message at TI, I think this day won't be complete without everyone saying happy birthday to our Auntie Ai.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Dapat kasi last ako, pero kaya nagulat ako ng shock. So let's all say Auntie Ai, very happy birthday.
Under pa si Ate Edith. Tignan na ako kasi hindi tayo